Hey guys, my name's Sherrie Silver and I'm a dance choreographer that teaches Afro dance. And today I had an amazing class at Pineapple Studios with a bunch of amazing people and I'm just excited. I'm really excited to be teaching in London, and honestly, every time I have a class, it's just good vibes. And the Pineapple Studio room is just so, all the rooms are large, so we get to have space and just, it was fun. And I travel the world, try to be in a different country every week, teaching Afro dance, which is the style you've just seen. And what I do with the profits, I take it back to Rwanda, Uganda, Nigeria, and redevelop schools, get kids in school, get homeless kids off the street, and different projects for women and children.
The best thing about Afrobeats is that everybody's so happy and together. So honestly, like, you can fall and you can do the wrong move, but nobody will care. We'll all laugh and have a fun time. That's what I love about it.
It was amazing. I think it was one of the best dance classes I've ever taken.
The vibe is amazing. Like, the energy is amazing. Yeah. The people are amazing.
She's bloody amazing. It was really fantastic, great experience, and everyone really got involved. Sort of felt like it was really fun.
The whole class is really supportive.
Yeah, we've all become friends as well. Like, it's not just, a class, we come in and we don't know each other and we just stank face. It's nothing like that. We just we laugh, we push each other, we clap, like, we join in and then we become friends and share social media. So it's real cool.
Summing up the workshop, one word.
Phenomenal.
Overwhelming.
Empowering.
Energizing.
I feel like as a human, especially someone that's come from quite a poor background, it's my duty to give back because I've been so blessed. So especially through dance, so it's important for me to use dance to touch other people's lives. And life is all about giving back, honestly.